A year ago, my fiance taught me about trading gold on a daily chart. And so it was at that time that I paid for TradingView and I started to look not only at gold but also USD, EUR, and a few other cryptocurrencies as well. So I'm constantly every day looking at what's the dollar doing and kind of how is that affecting the other things. So I'm also looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Ondo. Those are the ones that I look at. So I'm looking at these things, and oftentimes I will see the daily charts and I can see generally, okay, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. For example, Ethereum went to nearly $3,900. And then you start to see over the next day or so, it kind of loses steam and then it starts to go down and it drops. I think it's like 3,600 right now today. And then the question is, does it go back up more? Because I've seen that these trading platforms will purposely screw with you in order to make you think that you're going to lose everything, and then you sell, which then gives profit to the larger people that aren't willing to, you know, get out because they see the longer thing, or they're making the market, so they see this. So when you're working with people, are you making them aware of these shorter term things, or are you just looking for what you perceive to be the top of the cycle for that multi-year thing, and then, hey, take some profit? Or are you saying, hey, take some profit as it's going up to hedge your bet in case it goes down suddenly, in case we're wrong, in case the fundamentals change in the global economy, et cetera? Like, so how do you perceive those things, and what's your strategy?
So we do both, and I'll explain why. So on our team, we have a lot of experts, guys who are either running a crypto hedge fund right now or have run crypto hedge funds in the past. We've got guys on my team that consult, like Jeff on my team. He consults other hedge funds about how to do their liquidity strategies in the primary markets in DeFi. And so these guys are really advanced. And so what that means for our customer base is that for most of them, they want a bit more of a buy and hold strategy where they're concerned more so about the cycle and taking profits not too regularly on smaller mid blue chip assets. On the other side, we do have about 25% of our customer base who are come into it really wanting to become somebody who I would employ, somebody who's on my team. Like, they think that they want to become a full-time crypto investor, or they want to start their own hedge fund, or they want to do it for their friends. And so for them, they're going to work with my team and they are going to be looking at the day-to-day and the technical analysis and more detailed plays from that analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this insight, I've handpicked another video for you right here on the screen. For more actionable strategies that get you real results, hit subscribe.